In this video, I would like to show two model surfaces with an explicitly low number of spans or of segments. Usually, those high numbers of spans are caused by the usage of curved surfaces. And that could cause problems in Class A modeling where we rely on the usage of Bezier surfaces only. To illustrate the problem, I would like to start with a wheel opening. I'm going to fill the open area here with a square, and I'm getting a kind of a square surface with 6 spans. Believe me, I even tried here lots of rebuild options without success, lots even of explicit control options with various numbers of degree and spans, and I was never able to achieve continuity and a very low number of spans, let's say 1 or 2. Impossible. I have to do it in a different way, and I'm going to show how. The basic trick here is to not care too much on tolerances, but much more on seeing light surfaces. For this purpose, I have here kind of a same example, and I see here the curved surface that caused so much problems with spans, and I'm going to change that, or I'm going to replace the curved surface with a curve. I'm using the fit curve command, and it approximates a real 3D curve over the curved surface. I have degree 4 here in the tool options, and I can see as well the deviation from the curve to my surface or to the projected curved surface. I'm modeling here on Cartier tolerances, which is position-wise 0.001 millimeter, and I would like to go here a little bit further. That's why I'm asking for 1 degree more. I'm coming here pretty close. I don't need to match the Cartier position tolerance, but I would like to come pretty close. I know that pretty close is not a precise law, a precise thing, but try to make it pretty close. Maybe not bigger than 10% of the tolerance needs to be achieved. Another good thing with the tool here is that there is history on it. When I don't like the CV distribution on this curve, I could change that maybe by changing the position of that CV, and all the other CVs, they will follow. Maybe we do it like this, but that was already good. I'm doing the same with the other edge. I'm fitting a curve with the same degree, and I just need to care that this CV, this CV, this, and this one work together. What I mean with that is that when I create a skin between both curves that I do pretty soon, I have to make sure that the raws, that the CVs of this skin are kind of radial. It would look like this. I'm doing a skin, but this time between the curve that I just fitted and the other curve that I just fitted. And with the CVs, I can see that I can achieve here a pretty good radial picture of my CVs. I just need here degree 3 because I would need one CV 2, 3 civs for curvature continuity on this side that I want to achieve later on. So I have now a good surface, and I don't care so much about the tolerance yet. I have here this fit curve. I can delete them. I even delete here the curve on surface. Onto this position here, I'm going to, or over this area here, I'm going to create a fillet later on so that the continuity is here kind of irrelevant. I just need to create it on this side. And for that, I'm using the line command. I'm opening it. And before I change here anything, I'm selecting in my view. And I make sure that I'm on project. The alignment type needs to be project. First, I go for only G0. And I make sure that my position CVs will be moved in Y direction until they reach the reference surface. So I cannot achieve here my position tolerance with only 5 CVs in one span. I tried with 6. I tried with one more span. It works. Maybe you can do it even with 7 CVs. You cannot do it, so with 6 and 1 it works perfect. And now I'm asking for G2, and even the other CVs that are responsible for G2 are moving in the direction of Y. When I say accept, you can see that the alignment type jumps back to edge. I don't need anything here anymore. The align command created here for me a curve on surface. I selected just a curve on surface. The only thing what I just need to do is trimming this surface, and I have here a kind of a very nice result with just 2 spans and in difference to maybe hundreds of spans for a wheel opening, and I can live with that result in the Class A area. So first I create a light, good looking surface, and then I care for the tolerance, and I'm using here the align command in the alignment with the alignment type option project to achieve that.